cousin has told my fiancé everything that happened between us.
You mean she did?
As I'm talking to you, the guy has called off our relationship.
But where's your cousin going this far?
Alaji, there's a lot my cousin is doing to you, but you know, if I decide to spill now, it will seem unnecessary.
You mean she's cheating on me, right?
Cheating, you say? Far from cheating. My cousin tied you. You are under a spell.
It is not possible. I cannot be under a spell.
You know, Chief, you are laughing at your own detriment. And I'm serious about it.
No, Poch, stop that. I can't laugh at my own detriment. What do you mean? Imabari Onyembo. Anebu. It's not possible. I can't be under a spell.
Chief, come on. I know you wouldn't believe me, but trust me, I am not lying to you. I know exactly what I'm saying.
But wait, Poch. I hope this is not a payback, right? Hope you're not trying to spoil her own relationship because she did too.
Far from it, Chief. I'm not trying to spoil anybody's relationship. But trust me, I am not lying to you.
It's okay. I'm okay with this discussion, please. It is over, please. Let's say something else, please.
No, but Alaji, at least allow me explain what I'm saying. I know exactly what I'm telling you.
It's okay. I don't want to hear again. It's okay.
Do you go as far as destroying your sister's relationship?
Yes. That was the beginning of what I am going to do to her. By the way, how do you get to know about this?
Sweet. How I get to know is not the issue here, okay? Please, she's your sister. Let her be, okay? But you're the cause of everything.
Did you just say that to me?
Sorry, sweet. Sorry, it's okay. Sorry, but there was something she told me. That I'm under a spell, that you tied me somewhere. Is that true?
Why didn't you go and ask her yourself? She should tell you.
But anyway, I told her that you can't do that. You that know can't do that. I told her. Maybe she's just looking for an avenue to hurt you back.
Thank the heavens you know.
It's okay, sweet. Sweet, there's something I want to tell you, okay? I want to advise you to make peace with your sister so that this thing doesn't get out of hand.
That's exactly what I am looking for.
But she's your sister, she's your
and
cousin.
I forbid her!
No.
Oh, please stop! Stop!
Sweet.
Oh, get your hands off me. All this is your fault. All this happening is your fault. Your quest to have a test of her. Oh, please.
But it's okay. Stop, sweet.
Now, let me remind you. The 20 million naira for my business, please. I'm traveling maybe next tomorrow. I need it.
Okay, just consider it done, okay? Sweet. Whatever you want, you know I'll always be there.
I said the 20 million naira.
I will do it now.
When?
Right now.
Start doing it.
Okay, let me see. Call your account number for me, please.
You have my account details. Do it at the first.
Which of the
First
banks?
bank.
Light and darkness has no business in common. What the hell are you doing in my compound?
Point of correction, my house. Well, that's not why I'm here. What did you tell Alhaji?
Oh, please say whatever it is that brought you here and get the hell out
You
of
heard
my
me!
compound.
What did you say to Alhaji?
You wanna know?
Yes.
Whatever he told you, I said is what I told him.
Posh,
Elizabeth.
you're biting more than you can chew.
Really?
Yes.
Well, I haven't even started. Now you listen to me and listen good. I must make Alhaji understand that he is under a spell.
Then I will bury you alive.
Well, let's see who goes 6 feet first.
Are you daring me?
I'm not daring you. Daring you is an understatement. I am challenging you. I bet you will regret every single thing you have done to me, Elizabeth.
I pity you.
Really?
Honestly. I do.
I give you 30 seconds to get out of my house.
You're asking me out of my
Oh, please
own
get
house.
your little, cheap, silly self out of my compound. And I mean it right away.
Oh.
30 seconds is all I give to you.
Okay. Bring it on. Let's see who leaves.
Aaron! Aaron! Get this thing out of my house. Now!
Madam,
Do you want me to make call?
madam, come and go now.
I said get this thing out of my house. Push her out.
Drive you here. Do you need a slap?
Are you mad? I still want me to hit you. Do you get me out? Watch you now. Not to allow that low life into my compound.
I'm very sorry, ma'am.
Stand here when I'm talking to you. So what happened today? Keep shut! Are you sick or something? Now you listen to me and listen good. The next time that nitwit comes into my compound, I'll feed your eyes to my dogs. Bastard.
Sorry, ma'am.
Paulina, by this time tomorrow, I want that signpost mounted again on that land, else you will regret ever coming to the town.
Oh, please take your little dirty, silly self out of my house. Get out.
Geraldine, you're my witness. Don't forget I still own it.
Oh, please get lost. Stop, please. And who are you again? If I go into your room. Go back!
Wait, oh. This Elizabeth really get God, sha.
I
tell you.
That is if I don't sell that land by tomorrow. She's here talking about mountain signpost. She go hear from me. It be like say she dey craze. Ha!
She get mind.
Imagine the nonsense.
It's a God for me, oh. Stupid woman.
Imagine the nonsense. Look at how, because she wear canopy come here. You need start shirt, stand. Make rain fall, make rain beat am. Now let me see that if that shirt will not fall on her body.
Very local Eliza.
Imagine the gods.
Who they open gate for himself?
Na Aaron dey open gate for Eliza now. Na Aaron, I no blame am. And I want him.
Paulina. Oh no, I think if I don't want the samples. See how she be they talk out.
Resemble our ancestors.
The land is really big. Oh, quite big. Like massive. Wow. He's going to enjoy it. And he's on site, you know. Quite on site.
So why don't we negotiate?
Take it easy, girl. Take it easy.
Thank you, darling. I think I need to get a bulldozer to clear off all this. So, Aga, like I said earlier, the land is 50 million naira. I'm just doing it because I want to sell off the land.
50 minutes is too much. It's too much.
So what are you looking at?
Okay, let me give you 40 million.
No.
Oh, Ghana crayfish with a price.
No.
You want to read 10 million naira from this? You check them now. We no work.
That is a month.
Bros, you no work. See, let's do it this way. Bros, this land, the value of this land is 70 million naira. I'm just giving you for 50 because I want to sell off this land. 40 million doesn't.
It's too high.
Bro, 40 million no work. You don't work. Maybe we run am 50, bro. You go like the land though. Tight security.
If not interested, I can throw my buyer.
At least let me give you 40 million.
Hey, what is going on here?
Is not good enough. We work with. I don't talk to you since now.
What is going on here?
This land is 50
Bosh!
Who is this? Who they ring? Who they talk?
Oh, you are talking to a client. Can you
Hey,
What
bros,
is
what are
going
they
on?
talk before this cockroach?
What is going on?
Excuse me. Hello, gentlemen. This land
The land is 50 million
belongs
naira.
to me.
Okay?
And I am not intending.
Wait. Why don't you tell
sell
me
it.
that this land didn't belong to you?
Bros, not be me and you the yarn.
it's a land.
Not
What
me
are
and
you
the
saying?
yarn.
It's
Now
a
me
land.
get land.
Continue
Calm
talking,
down.
please.
Where you going to? Bros,
Is he
what's up
leaving?
with your swag
Okay.
now?
No, let him leave. I'll
Better.
bring in my buyer now. I'll just call him. He'll come.
Okay.
That's okay. Your luck, guy.
Your mates, auntie, they did their husband house, they did church, you they run kitty, they run kata.
I'm not going to drink water. Keep.
Now me, you they follow the Jones.
Yes.
Where you calm down though. If I run enter your spirit, you not go like me.
Run now.
I dey craze as you they see me so.
Grace, I won't see the
Elisa,
grace.
what be your own?
Elisa, you
You
don't
don't
get
know.
sense.
What's up with you?
You don't know.
Elisa, you don't get
If I dey see
sense.
this woman at the verse.
Elisa,
Where you?
Then do something
don't
about
get
it.
If I see you at the verse,
Do something about it.
Come up for this land, I beg.
Excuse me.
Elisa, I say you don't get sense.
My friend, shut your dirty mouth.
Elisa, still saying a joke. You really do not have sense.
I'm not seeing anybody talking. I'm just seeing a little you because of the blood that runs in us. Apart from you, this local government, I'm not seeing any of
If
them.
someone that bears Elisa call another a local government, my dear, you are the local herself.
Oh, please, don't blow this on my face.
Locality runs in your
Your
blood.
poker messiah.
Elisa, whether you like it or not, I am going to sell this land.
Okay.
Also give you poker dots. Also give you poker line. That is your business. But you see this land, I will run am. There is nothing on earth that you will do. You don't sell am. I go run this
Paulina,
land.
There are so many things unrunnable.
Ongwano.
Believe me when I
Make
say
we dey
that.
see am. Make we dey
Hello?
see am.
Is this the IG?
Oh, sit down, IG.
Trashy
Yes.
Elizabeth.
Yes. Please, I need your men here.
No, let her feel among for a few minutes.
Tell them to bring a truckload of them. We are ready.
Okay then.
What happened to calling the president?
Okay, love.
What happened to calling a senator?
That's her level. She cannot pass.
What
that. I'm telling
happened
you,
to
can't
calling
go
people
beyond
that matters?
You know I don't bat.
You're not calling me IG.
Nonsense.
You're calling me IG.
I see you. people
I will
as
sell
nonsense.
this land whether you like it or
And
not.
nothing will happen.
Nothing will
We are
happen.
going to sell
Please
this
shut
land.
your
Nothing will-
mouth.
Elizabeth, you shut up. The people you call
Oh,
nonsense
shut
are
your mouth.
stressing the hell out of your life, and you are calling us
Excuse
nonsense.
You have crossed my path. You have crossed the boundary, sister.
500.
I must deal with you. You have got more than you can cheat. Face to face, we go fight until the end. Bumper to bumper, number. The battle line is drawn.
What is it? Why are you crying?
My sister was arrested now.
Arrested?
Yes, the man that called me said my cousin arrested her.
So, what do you want me to do then?
Please, I want you to help me and bail her. Please,
Sorry, I can't do anything like that.
please, I'm going to bed, please. I'm going to bed, please.
I cannot. Hey, look. I don't want to instruct my gate man to throw you out. Right? So respect yourself now and leave my compound.
Please, I don't have anywhere else to go. Please,
What's your problem?
please.
I said I cannot do anything.
Please, whatever it is my sister did to you, please forgive her.
Okay, fine. I see you want to chill. You can stay.
Please, I'm going to bed, please.
In a month's time. Woo. Hope you're ready.
Mama, we don't bath.
Have you done
We
your
don't
hair?
bath. We don't wash everywhere. Everywhere don't finish too. We're smooth.
We know the wrong kata.
We know the wrong kitty.
Now we the drop things. On a demand.
On your father. Mama J.
Mama, ha! We hear wetin you do today, oh. You sweet us especially.
I do love you. I do love you.
Wow. I just told the police to teach them a little lesson. I hope they are doing it.
Oh my God. I think you say, I too love this woman. I love you, die, Mama J to the world. At least, yes, at least let Posh know that. Why? Maybe Rabonono. Isi Rabonono, you know.
Ooh, Mama.
Mama J.
You would have told them to detain them further.
Exactly what I did. Yes. Though it is a civil matter, but you know, police, they must see 1,000 reasons to detain someone in their custody.
What?
They're not coming out anytime soon.
Would happen this? Mama.
So what in them pempe Porsche bully na gas cooker? What? What?
Too much. You too
girls.
much.
Matters arising. There's a job tonight. Paying in dollars.
Dollars.
So forward your account details while I do something to your domiciliary account. We know the wrong kitty. We know the wrong kata. Now we the wrong
What? Are you serious? Hold on, how did this happen? Okay, I'll call you back.
What happened? What is the problem?
Mama, they say Sister Paulina and Auntie Elizabeth are having issues. And she was arrested.
Who arrested who? As in, I don't understand.
Mama, Auntie Elizabeth arrested Sister Paulina.
Chelo. Elizabeth arrested my own daughter. Why did she arrest her? And when did she arrest her?
Mama, I don't know. They didn't give me the full details. They only told me that Auntie Elizabeth arrested Sister Paulina.
Ha!
Call her again. Call her, let me talk with her. Call her again.
Aha! Jaladin, Papa wants to talk to you. Okay, hold on. Okay. Papa, take.
Hello? Hey, Geraldine, how are you? What did you say happened between your sisters? No. Listen, what happened that warranted the police to come into the matter? What happened? What brought in the police? You don't know? Wait. The police refused to grant her bail. Ha! Okay, I will call you. Take.
They refused to
Grant
bail
her
her.
bail.
Ha! Nah, I am going to the city. Anamaga City right now.
Ha! Mama, it hasn't gotten to that now.
What do you mean I should calm down? Eh? What if something happens to her in the cell? You know, I say calm down. Anamaga City, Biko.
No, come. Wait. Don't. You see, things are done with strategy and method. Eh? I will go to see Julius first. Probably his daughter might have called him. Eh? Then after that, we know the next step to take.
Nah, I will follow you.
Let's go.
Hey! Which of you is Paulina, aka Posh? Who would that be?
It's me.
Your people are here to see you. Follow me.
It's dangerous. Don't fight. This war will be deadly. Don't fight yourself. Best cousins, sisters, turn towards the enemy. No mercy. We are no more because of what you are. No mercy. We are no more love. Because
what is she doing here? Why did you bring her here?
Auntie Posh, I came to see you.
You came to see me? Or your sister sent you here to spy on me and to mock me?
No. I swear by our great-grandfather, she did not. You know I never supported my sister. She's not even aware that I'm here.
Officer, please take me out of this place.
Sister, the food now.
Now listen to me. When next you want to get me food, come here alone. Don't come with my enemy to bring me food.
Oh sister, you're the one that asked for the food.
Exactly what I am saying. When you're coming here next time, don't come with this thing. Take that food back.
Auntie Posh, but you need to eat your food.
Oh, now you know I need to eat my food. Go and tell that to your sister. Officer, take me out.
Hey! Drop the food there.
Which food? Which food? So you're hungry?
Hey! Don't insult officer on duty, otherwise I'll lock you up. Why would she drop the food? Criminal sister. Hey! Keep the food there. Why would she drop the food? You guys should do as I said. Hey, dog. Let's go.
But why is Auntie Posh suspecting me?
You know she's depressed now.
Honestly, I don't like the way everything is going. I don't like it. The whole thing is affecting me. It's affecting me physically, mentally, and otherwise.
You have to understand her now. She's not in the right mood. You have to understand her. Let's go, please. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Let's go.
My brother, this is the first time I am hearing this thing you just said now. Elizabeth has not called us, unless she called her mother.
She did not. She did not call me. When did it happen?
It's either yesterday or today.
I think I have to put a call. Where's Ebele? Ebele! Ebele!
Papa?
Please bring my phone.
Hello, Papa. How are you?
I am not fine, Elizabeth.
What is wrong with you?
Your uncle and his wife are here with me now. They say they got a message that Paulina was arrested by you. Is that true?
Papa, is that what you called?
Is that true?
Yes, Papa, I arrested her.
You arrested your younger cousin, who is like your daughter. Elizabeth, what did she do that made you to arrest her?
We had a little quarrel, Papa.
Is that why you arrested her? Go and bail her now. Do you hear what I said? Hello? Hello?
Hello, Papa, I've heard you.
Good. You better do it now.
All right.
Did she agree to bail her?
Yes, you people don't need to worry again. She agreed to bail her. And after that, I will summon the boat to come home so that we know the cause of that quarrel.
Thank you very much. Eh?
You're welcome.
Thank you. You have done well. You have done really well.
Children of these days. Children of these days.
Ikewo.
Yeah.
Ikewo. One day and one.
Ready school. My stupid. She'll rot here. She'll just rot there. Me. Release her. Not now. Not anytime soon. About
you and that
Is that what you called me?
Yes, sister, please. Whatever Auntie Posh has done, forgive her. She's your blood. She's like your daughter.
You're right. Very right. But what you've just said is what Posh refused to recognize. That I am like a mother to her. So please leave it at that.
Sister, tell the police to grant her bail so that both of you can make peace.
Never. I will never make peace with Posh. Not in this life. They've already heard about it. Papa instructed I should tell the police to grant her bail, but I will not. Never.
Sister, so you want to see bail?
I've already done that. Now listen. If you want us to still be sisters and you want to stay in my house, get off this case.
I am Mama J, after me, na me. I must show you, na me be the master. Face me, I face you, one on one. I no go run. Do me, I do you, one on one. Now you go cry. The war is just starting. I never start at all. If you see my true color, malo number the master. Face me, I face you, one on one. I no go run. Do me, I do you, one on one. Now you go cry. Best cousin sisters, turn to what's their name? Yeah. No mercy, we are no more.
Hi, pretty handsome.
Hi, I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. I was a little bit busy. Sorry about that. Traffic and stuff.
Don't worry, for you I can wait for eternity. So, are you less busy? I would love to take you out.
Yeah, you asked me on the phone and I said yes.
Okay, I just want to confirm the second time. I want to check on a property. Would you mind taking me there? Then from there we go to a bar and maybe...
Oh, definitely. I'm free.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's go.
You look good.
Thank you. So how have you been?
Well, I'm okay. guy.
How far?
How far? Good guy. Guy.
What's this for?
Mama J called me on the phone and said she wants us to meet. I went to see her and she gave me this check of 2 million.
2 million naira. I mean, what's it for?
She said I should use it to change my 4 tires in my car tires.
Change your tires. Did you in any time tell her you wanted to change your tires?
Yes, I think there was a day I said something like that to her.
Wow. 2 million naira just to change your tires. What do you think about this man? Nigga, are you sure this woman doesn't want you guys to work?
Well, the truth is that at this point I really don't care. You know, after what Posh did to me, I really don't care. But like she said it's for changing tires and stuff. I think she's just trying to do me. I don't know, but whatever it is, I really don't care. I don't care. Truly hot.
I know that's opportunities what this woman wants to use.
Think so?
Yeah, why would she just give you 2 million naira?
Well, please, can I have my phone?
Geraldine, do you know this is what we call intimidation? I mean, police have no rights whatsoever at all to detain someone under their custody more than 24 hours.
That is it. But reverse is the case in this country.
So, does it mean that Auntie Posh does not have a lawyer?
She does, but the problem is that the lawyer traveled overseas and the number has not been going.
I see. So what about the 2 girls? Don't they have a lawyer?
Forget about those girls, I beg.
When I talked to Sister Lizzie concerning this matter, she made me to understand that our parents are aware of it already.
Yes, I called my parents and likely they told your parents too.
We have to call them again. Yes, because Sister Lizzie is not sounding good.
I'm trying to avoid my mother from coming to the city here because the music will change to a worse song if she comes.
Let her come. Let her come. Let all of them come so that this matter will be settled once and for all.
Alice, call your daughter. Tell her to release my daughter. Else, everybody will regret the action I will take. I said, call your daughter. Let her release my daughter today. Moboroya, the action I will take, you people will regret it. Everybody will regret it. Call her. Let her release her. Before I make it away with more,
Are you asking me? I told her to release that girl, but she disobeyed my order. And that is offense number 2. So what do you want me to do?
Mama, Papa, let me go inside and prepare for the city.
That's exactly what you have to do. You know what you do? When you get there, tell her that your father and I are very angry.
Very, very angry.
Very, very angry. That there's nothing that must have happened between her and her cousin that should warrant the police. And I'm not saying
exactly.
Be fast. Yeah. Be fast. You have to handle her. You have to handle your handle her. 2 people from the same family.
Anyway, don't worry yourself. I will take care of it. Let's go inside.
Yeah.
Give her this one to make the call.
Which of the things?
The iPhone.
You had better be fast.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hello, Alhaji Ben. I've been calling you this whole time. You've not been taking my calls. That was because I was arrested. It's Lizzie J, my cousin. She asked them not to grant us bail. I think she gave them some money. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Please, Alhaji, don't call Lizzie J. Don't tell her I spoke to you. I'm saying it because she might try to discourage you. Oh, okay. Alright, thank you. Alright, bye.
Get the phone. Get the phone.
Here.
Let's go. Be fast. What do you want me to use force?
Move it before I use this bat and tear your head into 3 different locations.
Because of what? Let me see. We are no more blood. Cousins, sisters, that we're proud of. Let me see. We are no more blood. You have grown weak. You want to take what belongs to me, but that cannot happen. I was in this game before you enter. I am Mama J. After me, Nami. I must show you, Nami.
See who we have here. Sister Mary.
Sister.
Mary. Look at you. Looking back.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
Sister, fine. I'm okay.
How is Mama and Papa?
Sister, I purposely do not want to tell any of you that I'm coming. Papa and Mama sent me.
I hope all is well.
Sister, all is not well. I was sent because of your case with Auntie Paulina.
Is that why you came?
Sister, that is enough to be here. Meanwhile, her mother will soon be here.
So? And so? Her presence will not change a thing.
There is nothing I've not said, but sister has refused to listen to me.
Sister, the truth is, Mama and Papa are very angry with you right now. I mean, what is it that your cousin, our cousin, could have done to you that you didn't even bother coming down to the village to complain to our parents or her own parents?
Thank God you said our cousin. Well, Paulina refused to realize that I am her eldest cousin. What haven't I done for her? Now tell me, I brought her to the city, gave her everything to be comfortable. What else? I made life in the city more than comfortable for Paulina, but what did she do? She stabbed me behind.
Please. Stabbed you? Sister, I'm not getting the whole gist. What did she do?
Paulina will be the one to tell everybody what she has done. Yes. Please, fix something for her to eat. You hear me? If her mother comes here and make noise, I'll definitely lock her up. Take me.
Thank God you are here. At least you see things for yourself.
Yeah. You mean She didn't tell you anything?
For where? She did not. But I think I know what the problem is.
Okay, let me hear it.
He's a man.
A man?
They are fighting over a man. Let me go and fix you something to eat. Go.
Sister and Paulina fighting over a man. How possible is that? They are cousins.
Mama, why did you come? Why did you call them without asking me?
What type of stupid question is this?
Mama, I didn't just want her to bother you people. Hope Papa is not aware of this.
He's aware. He is the one that sent me. What did you do to your cousin that made her to arrest you?
Eh? Mama, I didn't do anything to her. We both bought a piece of land. I told her I was tired of sharing the land with her, that we should sell it and share the money. She refused. I got somebody else to buy the land. She got angry and called the police on me.
Obutala.
That's it. But Mama, I need you not to worry, okay? They're already working on our appeal. We're coming out today.
I heard that she instructed the police not to grant you bail.
Well, that's it. But like I said, they're already working on our appeal. I'm very certain that we'll leave here today.
If you don't come out today, Miss Irona police apotata, Elizabeth must have me to contend with.
Calm down, you are in the station, Mama.
Station again.
Mama, Biko, just calm down.
Madam, I hope you still realize you're still at the police station.
Yes,
please, you people should not touch my daughter.
No, Mama,
she's very precious to me.
Move it! Your daughter is a criminal.
My daughter is not a criminal. Did you not hear what she said?
Mama, no.
Keep going.
Move. Do you care to join her?
Mama, I can join her if you want.
Mama,
then move it!
I'll call you.
You think we're here to
I'll call you when we come out. So.
If she misses a hand, give her.
We're talking about a criminal here.
Who is a criminal? My daughter is not a criminal.
Criminal!
She is not one. You heard what she said.
Get going before I lock you up too.
Lock me up.
Yes.
It's better. Let me stay with my daughter.
Paulina, you have not taken cola or not?
Not to worry, Papa. I'm fine.
Even you, Elizabeth.
Uncle, you know I don't eat cola nut.
Mecca?
Boniface, my brother, I greet you and your wife.
Thank you.
Ekene Kwangi, my wife, and our daughters. I was the one that called this meeting because of what we heard. That our daughters are fighting themselves in the city.
Uncle, please. Let me correct that impression. I am not fighting your daughter. She is the one fighting me.
Paulina, I will not want you to interrupt me. Because if you do, I will unleash my anger on you.
Udo, sorry.
Okay. My brother, our wives, I call this meeting because our children are fighting each other. What we did not do when we were small, till this our age now. Our father always told Boniface here and I to always embrace peace and love.
Yes.
At all time. And that we maintain.
Till today.
Before he died, he told us to always avoid anything that will bring quarrel between the both of us. And we have never disappointed our father, even in death. So I call this meeting to make peace between our daughters and also to hear from them the cause of their quarrel over there in the city. Come on, bro.
Iputere ya no iji ya. Ikpogo isi ntu n'isi ya. Paulina, you are the younger one. You have to tell us what happened first. Let us hear from you first. What exactly happened between you and your sister?
I don't have a case with Elizabeth. She is the one fighting me. She has been the one giving me issues in the city. I don't have any issues with her.
Whatever you are saying, do not point at me.
I will point at you and it will blind your eyes.
And I will forget that when you finish.
Stop.
I'm beating you. Now let your hands
I will break somebody's
Come
head.
close, let your hands first. Don't mind.
Even before us, your father.
Are you mad? Sit down, both of you.
Elizabeth, sit down.
Sit down!
Sit down,
No!
Elizabeth. Even before us, your father.
Paulina, please, can you tell us what really happened?
I have said it and I'm going to say it again. I don't have any issues with her. She's been the one fighting me all along. I don't have a problem with her.
Let her tell you what the cause is.
And what if I say there is no cause for this fight and you have been fighting me unnecessarily?
Well, Papa, Uncle, you heard her. In that case, there's no need of me being here. Since she doesn't want to say what the problem is, it means one thing.
And that
She's
is...
not ready for peace. And I'm out of this place.
No, you don't walk out. You don't walk out on us. It's not... Genede.
If Paulina does not want to say anything, can't you tell us to?
She has to start first.
Okobolo no mu buzuzo bebeziani ben. Muni onyeto.
It's okay. There is no cause for alarm. Asam, there was something you told me in the city. Why don't you say it now? Bikon.
For the sake of clarity, I'm just going to say this. Papa, Mama, Uncle, Auntie, the only thing that binds me with this woman sitting down here is the land we both bought together. And I said that I don't want that piece of land anymore, that we should sell it and share the money. But then she has bluntly refused, to the point that she got me arrested because of that same piece of land.
Land?
Biko, I'm begging you all, advise her. Uncle, I don't take nonsense. For the sake of her peace of mind and no bloodshed, let her sell that piece of land and share the money with me. Simple.
In your dream, will that land be sold? I've told you to bring your details so that I can transfer the money to your account. You refused.
I also asked you to send your account details so that I could make a refund as well, didn't I?
I wasn't the one who is eager to sell a land.
Wait, so land is the cause of this quarrel?
No, Papa. No. She refused to say what she has done. Something caused it. Something led to the selling of the land. I'm happy you all heard her saying about shedding of blood. Well, to avoid shedding of blood, she has to settle me. And fast.
And if I don't?
Then you will face my wrath. Okay. No problem. No problem, Paulina. The court is in our hands.
Obviously.
Let the best player win. I am waiting for you. Eagerly waiting.
I am ready.
Oh.
What kind of a problem is this? What do these children want to bring with you?
No, they will not succeed.
They will not succeed. They will not succeed. Come, Paulina. Listen. You are my daughter. I want you to find a way to make peace with your sister.
Papa, Biko. Let me be. If she doesn't want to sell the piece of land and let me have my money, then there is no need for this meeting. And please, if this meeting is over, can I take my leave?
My brother Boniface, that land they are talking is not the cause of the quarrel.
I believe you.
There is something these two girls are hiding from.
Yes, there is something they are not telling us.
I'm telling you.
And that matter must come to the fore. We shall hear about it. Eventually. Whether they like it or not.
Mama, how did it go?
My daughter, there was no positive result. Your sister here refused to tell us what happened. Elizabeth on her own side did not say anything. Ikewo.
Ha. So, was that how the meeting ended?
Obuchirimono. I don't even know what to say or do.
Paulina, you are my daughter. I know probably you wanted to discuss this matter with us first before it came out to the field. Now, I want you to, in all honesty, tell us the truth. What transpired between you and your sister? What exactly happened? Please, I want to hear it now.
Elizabeth's friend gave me 7 million naira. And she was asking me to give her the whole money. That was what erupted the whole problem. To the extent that she invited the police to beat me up, lock me up, and ask them not to grant me bail for my own hard-earned money. How is that even possible?
So why didn't you say this when we were discussing it at the place?
I said it. I made it clear that I wasn't the one fighting her, that she was the one fighting me.
Chelo go to Chelo. Anamagota. Let me just ask you. This friend of hers that gave you 7 million naira, what did you do for him that made him to give you such a huge amount of money? Makana 7 million naira is not 700,000. Eh? Nebiko, what did you do for him? Odagobi.
Speak.
Eh?
I slept with him.
Eh?
Eh? Is it?
But she was the one who forced me to do it.
Hey. Kamsikwa? Oh, so you are telling me that what you and your sister Elizabeth do out there in the city is prostitution? Eh? No, Ashawokunaba. Nekwentu.
Papa, it's not that way. That's why I didn't want to bring up this matter. Because I know you all would not understand.
What is there to understand? Tell me. Will you shut up? Can't find understand? Is there any other word for it? When you sleep with a man and he gives you money, mobra, prostitution, ashawo, akuna. Paulina, Onyeziligonka, is it me? Did you learn it from me? Hey!
Like I said before, this is not the time to apportion blame to anybody. What is done is done. So please, let's look for the way forward. Papa, you need to talk to Uncle Julius. Let them sell the land and share the money. It's as simple as that.
I really didn't want to talk about this matter because of the respect I have for everyone. Whatever ugly problem we had needs ugly solutions to it. I met Elizabeth's friend. His name is Alhaji Ben. In fact, Elizabeth's sugar daddy. Yes, because the man in question is married. Elizabeth's sugar daddy started making advances at me. As a nice person that I am, I went to my sister and I told her about this whole thing. And she asked me to go with her sugar daddy, saying that the man was going to give me 5 million naira. I went with this man. He gave me the 5 million naira. I came back and I shared the money 50-50 between us. this sugar daddy later came behind and started asking to see me again. I went to see the man in question and he gave me 7 million naira this time. Elizabeth in question started asking me for the whole money. And because I refused to give her the money, she started a fight with me. That's all there is to it.
What a shame. Elizabeth, you heard what she said. What is your own side of the story?
Yes. What she said was what happened. Alhaji Ben is my friend.
Your sugar daddy.
Excuse me.
Quite excused.
Well, we were good. Going together as friends. One day she came and told me that my boyfriend was making advances on her. I said, okay, let's play a game. I told her to bill him 5 million naira, which she got, and we shared the money. She went behind me to sleep with that same man that you know that is my man, without telling me the second time, and she was paid 7 million naira. And I said, you have to bring the money so that we share equal as we used to share. Transfer the money into my account so that we'll share it as usual. She said, okay. On her getting to her house, she changed her mind. So what do you expect me to do? Sit and watch her eat the 7 million naira that was supposed to be my money without telling me? Who does that?
Julius, my brother, I am ashamed of these 2 daughters of ours. Very much ashamed, especially of you, Elizabeth. Huh? You are supposed to be the mother here. Yes, taking care of your younger sister. Instead, what do? Push her to men to make money and bring so you share. 5 million, 7 million, 5 million. Oh my God.
Very shameful. I mean, very shameful. Huh?
Anyway, that is not the problem here. I mean, that's not why we came here. The problem is the land. Yes. Can we just sell this land? Let me have my money. She has hers. We go our separate ways. That's the reason for this meeting.
Well, I did not buy any land with you, so stop dreaming for the impossibility. Because it's not going to happen.
You must think that I am a fool. I have the photocopy of the papers. Unfortunately, she has the original copies, but this is the photocopy of it.
Thank God you said photocopy.
Ebele, please come and help us and read what is written here.
Okay, this agreement is to certify that Miss Elizabeth Ukweze and Miss Paulina Ukweze are the sole owners of 3 plots of land situated at Mpo Road.
Thank you. Are we clear now?
Well, for your information, thank God she said photocopy. This
Elizabeth,
photocopy is forged.
Hold on.
That is a lie from the pit of hell.
Hold on.
What you? It is not a lie. You are lying. You went to my room, took the original papers, photocopied it, and you are here talking nonsense.
Oh, I photocopied it.
Yes.
Right?
You did.
I photocopied what you had in your room.
You did.
Obviously, it is the same paper I photocopied.
My brother, Boniface, with what we heard and see here, shows that the land belongs to the both of them.
Oh. Papa?
So, you can see now. Of course. You don't need anybody to tell you.
Papa, I am sorry to tell you that this paper is forged.
Dear Elizabeth.
Yes?
What you gonna do too much?
You need him too much.
What you gonna do too much?
You need him too much.
Is it Great.
Come back. Come back here.
Think I'll take
My question here is, what is her offense?
Papa, we are not in a law court. Stop asking questions. Nobody is answering you.
Paulina!
Good.
Pick. I said pick.
Paulina, remember that this is your sister.
But with my sister.
One hand.
Huh?
One hand.
Now you can give her.
I say one hand.
One hand.
Yes.
One hand.
Don't you know? One hand.
Think you joke with me? Close your leg. You think you are in the room with Alaji? You think you are in the room? Close your leg.
I say one hand.
Akuna gagas.
Are you okay?
Now you can shout.
Paulina!
Mama, Biko.
I'll flog you.
Please. I don't want anybody to disturb me.
You'll flog my wife.
Why yogi?
Quiet! Then you flog all of us.
You're
Frog jump.
sorry.
Very good.
Sorry for